Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a little review on a set of markers as well as paper that comes for them. So the paper is supposed to be super smooth and make the markers glide so that they're a little more blendable, not as striky. And the set of markers that I chose are by the brand Sonet. They're Russian, so I hope the quality is pretty good. As you can see, I decided to go for a fleshy, natural palette so that it matches my overall style and I'm a little more comfortable using new materials. I haven't really been working with markers much apart from my childhood. So there they are, beautiful palette. So far, the one thing that I really like about them is that they're double-sided, so one side is the fine tip, the other is a little wider for, I guess, just filling in the color. And that makes my work a lot more comfortable, since I don't have to switch between different products. I can just sketch with one end of the marker and then switch to the other when I need to use the full color potential of the material. So from what I can see right now is that the markers, regardless of the paper, still are a little stripy. They kind of overlap in an awkward way. So let's see what happens next. But so far it's not great. It's not terrible. Yeah, let's just see what happens later on. I'm just adding some shadows and working on some details to see how the layers behave, how the markers kind of stack one on top of the other. I can see that it definitely helps with the blotchiness. Hopefully I can get rid of that effect by the end of the drawing. And yeah, let's just keep going. I must say I'm quite enjoying using the little tip of the marker to get into those little details to create some creases because these shoes are pretty worn out. I got them in Barcelona about 3 years ago or so, maybe 4. It was my first trip there. So these shoes really do have a lot of memories connected to them. I decided to add a little light background so that they're not just kind of floating in the middle of the paper. Maybe a little bit of shadow, just a hint of the fact that they're on the ground. Now I'm using just the regular white roller pen to add a little bit of detail like stitching or any other highlights that are necessary. And we're pretty much done. Here you can see a little more of the texture of the markers. Even though I was complaining about the spots and blotches earlier, I actually quite enjoyed working with them. I think they're great for sketching, getting your ideas onto paper, creating that effortless feel. I didn't expect such a good result from the first try. I thought I would need more time getting used to them, but I am quite content with the outcome and definitely would recommend both products. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.